name is Viv, your friend Viv, and today I'm going to do the lava science experiment. So let's start. I'm going to tell you what we need. So we need a mountain that has a hole, and baking powder is so heavy, and vinegar, and baking soda. Look at how heavy is it, and a bottle of vinegar. So let's start. First we need the baking soda. Look at, guys. We need more, a little bit more. Put our glasses and slowly put the vinegar. Slowly and slowly. Wow! Look at it. It's a orange volcano. So guys, if you want to do at home, please try at your deck or at your porch. So guys, if you want to do inside, you have to put your glasses and safety gear. And be careful with the lava science experiment. So if you like my video, subscribe at the nice button and ring the bell and subscribe. And stay happy and rise. Bye. And so good and healthy.